In this session, we will learn how to create a template. Go to Layout Builder, Template, Add New, select the scenario, for example, the wine store, then the size of the label, the color, the template type. We need to add new template type. Now create and select the template type. Okay. Choose the template type. Define the template name and save. Okay, now we're in the building template editor. Let's get started. We start to design a template. Add the merchandise name. Adjust it. Remember, every time we add a new field, we need to associate with data. The barcode, the code number, associate to the database. The price, this is member price. Okay. This is original price. Change the font. Okay, we can have a preview. Okay, done. Save. And you can, in the right corner, you can have a preview. Okay, good. Let's exit and return to the template list. You can see a new template is created.